how to create an ID.me account. This tutorial shows you how to sign up and verify your identity in just a few steps. First, open your browser. Go to ID.me. After that, click Create an ID.me account. From there, enter your email address. At this point, create a password, then click Create Account. In the next step, check your email for a verification code. Following this, enter the code on the ID.me page to confirm your email. Once done, choose a multi-factor authentication method, like text message or an authenticator app. From here, follow the prompts to set that up. At this stage, once your account is created, click Verify My Identity if a specific service requires it. Keep in mind, identity verification usually requires a government-issued ID and may include a video selfie step for confirmation. Finally, follow the remaining prompts to upload your ID and complete verification. And that's it. If this guide helped you create an ID.me account, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.